Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Quiz Parade. So today we'll be doing some 50 important one-liners of the July Current Affairs 2021 which are very important for the exams like UPSC, PSC, SSC, Bank and Railways. Do like and subscribe the channel to get an update whenever I upload a new video. So without further delay, let's get started. Whitetail Clean Energy product which was making news recently is said to be established in which country? And the right answer is UK. Which union ministry implements the Prashad scheme? And the right answer is Ministry of Tourism. Which country is the host of the Central South Asia Connectivity Conference 2021? And the right answer is Uzbekistan. Which country has passed the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act? And the right answer is USA. What is the theme of the World's Youth Skills Day 2021? And the right answer is Reimagining Youth Skills Post-Pandemic. Next question. Which country has financially assisted the International Cooperation and Convention Center Rudraksh opened in Varanasi? And the right answer is Japan. Which institution has launched a scheme named FASTER or Fast and Secure Transmission of Electronic Records? And the right answer is Supreme Court of India. And the article of Supreme Court is 124. India recently held a virtual maritime exercise Shield with which field? Sri Lanka and Maldives. Which Indian institution has developed a heat-tolerant COVID vaccine? And the right answer is ISC Bangalore. Which IIT has developed an affordable COVID-19 testing kit named COVID Home? And the right answer is IIT Hyderabad. Bow Valley is situated where? And the right answer is Himachal Pradesh. Amrabad Tiger Reserve is located where? And the right answer is Telangana. The first case of monkeypox in human was recorded in 1970 in which country? And the right answer is Democratic Republic of Congo. Which country supplied the MH-60R multi-role helicopters to India? And the right answer is United States of America. Ace racing driver Lewis Hamilton belongs to which country? And the right answer is Britain. Which state in India is set to appoint dowry prohibition officers in all districts of the state? And the right answer is Kerala. Bashar al-Assad has sworn in as the president of which country for the fourth time? And the right answer is Syria. NEA Scout, the new spacecraft of which space agency? And the right answer is NASA. Crawling is a process used in training taming of which animal? And the right answer is elephant. To which field Project 75 is related to? And the right answer is submarine construction. Which India state has launched the Agar Wood Policy 2021? And the right answer is Tripura. Checkmate's lead fighter is associated with which country? And the right answer is Russia. Which country has incited for the first time to the invited for the first time to the Troika plus meet on Afghanistan? And the right answer is Russia. Which city is the host of 2032 Olympic Games? And the right answer is Brisbane. Which PSU is said to build a first green hydrogen plant in Mathura? And the right answer is IOCL. Nuclear football, which was making news recently, is associated with which country? And the right answer is USA. Which space agency is building a telescope named SuperBit? And the answer is NASA. Which country has proposed a legislature on privacy laws tackling doxing behavior? And the right answer is Hong Kong. Nauka, which was seen in the news recently, is a space research module launched by which country? And the right answer is Russia. How many countries make up the Mekong Ganga Cooperation MGC? And the right answer is 6. Which educational institute has organized the World University Summit 2021? And the right answer is OP Jindal Global University. World's first 3D printed steel bridge was recently unveiled in which country? And the right answer is Amsterdam. Gaon Buras is a term associated with the administration of which state? And the right answer is Assam. How many ordnance factories are operational across India? And the right answer is 41. Which country has reported cases infected by a highly contagious group of norovirus? And the right answer is UK. Sila Tunnel is situated where? And the right answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which space agency has selected by NASA to provide launch services for Europa Clipper mission? And the right answer is SpaceX. Which country is said to build the world's first nuclear reactor that does not need water for cooling? And the right answer is China. Christmas Island, which was making news recently, belongs to which country? And the right answer is Australia. RMX 21 is a skilling expedition conducted by which country? And the right answer is India. Who was the PM of India when the 1991 reforms in India was implemented? And the right answer is PV Narasimha Rao. And the finance minister was Manmohan Singh. Which is the first country to approve genetically modified golden rice? And the right answer is Philippines. Azadi Ki Shaurya Gatha exhibition is based on the life of which freedom fighter? And the right answer is Chandrasekhar Azad. A Kerala vet doctor has recently received a patent for inventing biodiesel from which product? And the right answer is chicken waste. Which global body approves its first ever vision for everyone resolution? And the right answer is UNGA, United Nations General Assembly. Ramappa temples is situated where? And the right answer is Telangana. Typhoon In-Fa came in which country? And the right answer is China. What is the name of the process where a business sells its invoices to a third party at a discount? And the right answer is factoring. SPAC full form is Special Purpose Acquisition Companies. Headquarter of Geological Survey of India is located where? And the right answer is Kolkata. Which country registered the world's first affordable drug Remdesivir for treating hepatitis C? And the right answer is Malaysia. So these were 50 important questions of current affairs of July 2021. Hope you have liked this session. Do share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.